really upset with myself for even trying this. It's hair, it'll grow back. I'm gonna do something really stupid and cut my own hair today. And so for reference, let's see what we're working with. So that's right there. So it's right there at my butt. And I know that I'm probably gonna regret this, but I'm gonna try to follow the tutorial that Brad Mondo put online because it's getting so heavy that I constantly keep a headache. So it's time for it to go. And I hope it turns out okay. If not, I'm suing you, Brad. I'm just kidding. Last time that my hair was this long, I cut it to here and I donated that to Wigs for Kids. So this is about 2.5, 3 years worth of hair that I'm hopefully making look better and give it a little bit more body and take a little bit of the weight off. I'm gonna hop into the shower and wash this mess and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I gotta try to do this as fast as possible because my hair dries super quick. This is 2. Maybe some go behind the ear. Oh, let's see. It's already drying. I'm so super duper scared. Got my 2 ponies. Alright, this one is Ariana Grande. Alright. Alright, so we got Ariana Grande ponytail. Got that one. Because of course it got dry. We're gonna hope for the best on this. And I know it's probably wrong and I'm so scared to do it. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm sorry for all the noise out there. My dad is currently watching TV. He can't hear. I definitely just fucked it up. Because you gotta make a big cut for it to matter. So we're gonna do about the same length. Straight cut there. Looks like it, right? I know it should not be that serious, but it is because it's this is a lot of hair. It's gonna take a lot to get this brushed out. I'll be right back. I'm suing you, Brad, because this did not work. I'm really mad if this doesn't help this time. I just can't. I'm not going to go any shorter. That's as good as it's getting. I am not cutting anymore. And you can't say I didn't cut nothing off. Look at that sink. That is a lot of hair. I don't understand. I'm completely and utterly over it.